I finished the Google UX course and I'm freaking done now. Yes, I'm free. I'm freaking free. I finished the Google UX course. I finished it so much that I know a lot about Google UX. I started teaching people. People came to me. I was like, "Yo, how will I do this? I'm like coaching a lot of people now in UX." And I said, "Wait, I'm not getting any jobs. I'm not doing anything. I'm just putting bit by bit on my portfolio." And I saw other people being bosses, programmers, because there are lots of programming jobs, lots. And I'm like, let me get into programming too. Let me get some. So, huh? Okay, thanks. Let me get some cash from that too. I switched to programming. I was learning HTML, CSS, being a boss. I even posted a previous video on when I started learning HTML and CSS. Then my friend got a job as a UX designer. Then I was just like, damn, what the heck is going on? I left the field a little bit. Then people are not flourishing. What's wrong? I got back. I went back, like I bounced back. Now I've started building my portfolio, building crazy projects. Then I saw a design challenge and I hopped on it, blah, 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 blah. Now, why did I go back? It was because I need to stick in my field and get better at it. I can't start jumping from places to places. Then if I do UX, if I do programming now, then I'll jump to video editing. I'm already a video editor, by the way. Then I'll jump to video editing. Then I'll jump to social. Then I'll to stay in your element. Stay in one place and be a boss at that. Now, what to do to keep being a boss? I've not gotten full scale on this, but that's what I'm doing. So I'm just feeding you what I'm doing. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just feeding you what I'm doing. Just design. Design till you are tired. Design till you sleep off. Just design day, night, design. That's what I've started doing now. You know that I'm a pro at it. I'm just building on my portfolio. So when you enter my website, you'll be like, whoa, this guy is good. This guy is very good. And that's where I'm headed. I'm going to cut a lot out of this video because why? That's why. Okay, I think that's the end of this video. Peace.